Hello, welcome you all in the second tutorial of Python programming. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install Python. So these are the steps to install Python in your laptops or computer. Let's start install Python by using Google Chrome. So first step is that you have to type here Python. Click on the first link that appears on the Google Chrome. Here you have to go to the Downloads tab. It's beneficial for you if you download latest version of Python. So we install latest version, that is 3.11.2. As you see, the setup is on downloading. Wait until it's download properly. As you all see, the setup is completely download. Click on the setup. As you see, this window will appear in front of you. We will click on Customize installation. Make sure these checkboxes will check properly. Then click on the Next. Here you have to select this all checkboxes that are already checked. Then you will click on Install. As you all see, this window will appear that setup was successful. It means Python is installed successfully in your setups. We will check by writing here IDLE. You will click on this. The shell will open in front of you. Simply we will make first program of our Python programming language here, which is print, then string hello world. If it runs successfully, we will click on run module and then OK. We will name the file hello, and you all see the shell is presenting hello world. It means Python is running successfully in our system. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more useful tutorial. Allah Hafiz.